What do you do when you're less confident? So, the first logical thing to do when you feel less confident about yourself is to understand what you're feeling, why you're feeling, and from when are you feeling it, right? So, when I say what are you feeling, are you feeling frustrated? Are you feeling anxious? Are you feeling bad? Are you feeling emotionally drained? You need to understand what you're feeling first. So, when you understand what you're feeling, comes the next question, which is why. When I say why, so first let me give you a quick example. Now, I'm feeling self confident about myself today because I could not run as well as my friend who's much more leaner and much more healthier. So, what am I feeling is the first step. So, when I say what am I feeling, I am feeling frustrated. I am feeling bad about myself. I am feeling incapable, because of which I am feeling less confident. So, what made me feel that? Because I could not run as good as him. And from when am I feeling it? Am I feeling like this from the day I was born? No, I'm feeling this from the time I had a, let's say, competition, or when I tried to run with my friend when we went for a jog. So why these three things are very important is, one, you should be aware of what you're feeling. Two, you should be aware of why you're feeling it. And three, when you understand from when you're feeling it, is when it will make you understand that that self confidence that you have felt a little low is just temporary, it is not permanent. And it will also help you understand why you are feeling self confident. So now what would I do? I would look at my strengths. Though I am like this, I have been a very good swimmer. I can beat him in the pool. So the first step for you to do when you're feeling low on your self confidence is simple: focus on your strengths. Remember what you're good at. Remember what you can do like this. That is the first step. Second step, understand your skills, remember your skills, and focus on how you can improve your skills. So, I would focus on either swimming, or I know that my skill is very strong conviction towards a job. When I take up a job, I'm very convicted to it. I'm obsessed with it. I'm a perfectionist kind of a guy. So, if I really want to become more confident by being able to run, I would immediately start doing something about it. I may not lose weight, but at least I might try to improve my running speed by going to the gym, going for jogs, going for walks, or doing some sort of physical exercise. So, the second step is, after you know what your strengths are, you need to be able to make action plans and analyze why you are feeling low, why you are feeling low on your self confidence. That is why I said, when you understand why you are feeling low on your self confidence, you will be able to you will be able to understand where you are going wrong, and because of which you will be able to start making action plans. So the second thing is, you need to start making action plans to address the reason why you are feeling low on your self confidence. When I say low, that means you're feeling low on your self confidence. And the next thing to do would be to stop postponing things. Because please understand, people always ask me, how can you say that postponing things is linked to my self confidence? When you postpone things, you don't do most of the things. When you don't do most of the things, you feel incapable. When you feel incapable, you feel less confident of yourself. So, the third thing to do would be just relax, sit back, be calm, and think of all those things that you have postponed, which you can do very easily, which for which you have the skills to do it with ease. Do those tasks. That will improve your confidence, because you'll feel capable. You'll feel that, yes, I can do this. When I can do this, I can do anything in life. And you always need to remember that when you're low on self confidence, do something that makes you feel better about yourself. Dress well, go for a makeover, eat good food, sleep well. I always tell people that whenever you feel low on self confidence, the best thing to do would be to go work out. I have not lost weight, but I am a hardcore gym freak. I used to go work out a lot because, one, it would help me vent out my frustration, and second, I would feel very capable because I would lift heavy weights and people would say, oh man, look at him, the way he lifts weights, because the fat thing used to go out of the picture. So try to do those things that will make you feel good about yourselves, and also try to do those things for which people will appreciate you for, and it will automatically make your negatives invisible. One thing that I've seen people, when they feel low on self confidence, do is go into a shell, make a comfort zone, sit there and feel very low about themselves, feel depressed, feel lethargic. That is one thing you should never do, because that will hit you throughout your life. It has happened to me also. Even today, when I do something and I don't get the desired results, I have a tendency to go back. But then I'm aware of myself, because I'm in this field, because I coach youngsters like you, because I coach even experienced people. I take some time and bounce back. So always ensure that you bounce back as fast as possible, as quickly as possible. And for you to do that, if you have a big task at your hand, if you have a big thing that you need to do, break it down into smaller things. Make it much more easily finishable. So when you chunk it down and when you achieve these tasks, you slowly are building your confidence also, because you're able to do it much faster, you're able to do it much easier, and you're able to do it much efficiently and quicker. So these are some of the things that you need to do when you feel less confident about yourself.